Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account in Bitfinex cryptocurrency trading platform. Before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you haven't installed the application yet, go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you open it up, go ahead and search for Bitfinex in the search box. When you find the application, go ahead and tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once the installation is done, tap on the open button to open up the Bitfinex application. It may take a while for the application to load for the first time. Once the application is done loading, you will find the login and sign up button at the top section. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button. Now you will be allowed to set up your account. Go ahead and type in your desired username, followed by your email address and your desired password. Then go ahead and enter your country of residence, and you can also choose to enter a referral code if you have one. If you wish to be notified about marketing emails, you can check the Send Me Marketing Emails box. If you don't, then leave it as it is. Now go ahead and tap in the Sign Up button. You will be asked to verify your identity using CAPTCHAs. Go ahead and complete the task, and then you will be allowed to create a 4-digit PIN. Go ahead and type in your PIN, and then you will be asked to confirm it. Type your desired PIN once again, and then you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication. If you don't have the application, you can tap on Google Authenticator. This will take you to the Google Authenticator page where you can tap on the Install button to install the application. Wait for the application to download and install, and then go back to the Bitfinex sign-in window. Now tap on I've installed the application. This will open up the Google Authenticator. Now tap on Get Started. You will be allowed to choose whether to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Make sure you set up the authentication settings for your account using the link given above the Scan a QR code button. After doing so, go ahead and tap on Scan a QR code. Then scan the code provided to you. You will now get an option to save the key for Bitfinex. Go ahead and tap on OK, and then your authentication will be saved. Now go ahead and enter the code in your Google Authenticator application. Then tap on Enable 2FA. After doing so, you will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN. Go ahead and create a PIN and then type it once again to confirm it. Now scroll all the way down to the Terms of Service and then tap on Accept. Finally, you will be asked whether you want to verify your account to the Basic Plus level. Tap on the Verify button to go forward with this process. You may also choose to skip this for now. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up to Bitfinex crypto trading platform. If you find this video useful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.